We all want to live long lives, but we also want to stay as healthy as possible, as late into our years as possible. Healthspan is that part of a person's life where they are generally in good health. So we want to extend our health span as long as we can into our lifespan. These 8 tips I'm about to share are going to help you expand your health span. But before I get started, I'd like to introduce myself for any of you who are new to my channel. My name is Donna DeRosa. I'm a lifestyle and wellness coach specializing in the Mediterranean diet and longevity. You may want to pick up a copy of one of my 2 lovely cookbooks here. You'll find the links in the descriptions below. Now let's get started. Number 1, eat an anti-inflammatory diet. Now that means concentrating on whole unprocessed foods like fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, the fatty fishes, legumes, and trying to eliminate the highly processed foods and things like refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and to try to limit the consumption of red meat. Number 2, incorporate movement every day. Even if all you can manage in the beginning is doing a 10-minute stretching routine or walking the dog, just try to get some kind of movement every day and do something that you enjoy. It doesn't have to be a grueling gym session. It could be something like going dancing or swimming or playing basketball or just puttering around in your garden. Just try to get some form of movement. Number 3, make sleep a priority. There are so many benefits to getting a good night's sleep. It's when your body repairs itself. It's good for your brain, your mood, your gut. Insufficient sleep can lead to fatigue, difficulty in concentrating, memory issues, and an increased risk of accidents and injuries. Getting good sleep is good self-care. Number 4, be social. An important part of living a long and happy life is to share it with others. Studies have shown that loneliness and isolation can be as detrimental to your health as smoking or obesity. So get out and meet some new people. Number 5, manage stress. Stress is a killer. You need to learn healthy ways of dealing with stress. Now these could include things like taking a nap, learning how to meditate or journal, or hanging out with friends, or just going for a run to blow off some steam. Unhealthy ways of dealing with stress would include things like smoking, or binge drinking, or eating a pint of ice cream, or even over shopping, and these activities will only make you feel worse. Number 6, spend time in nature. Go outside and get some vitamin D from the sun. Take a walk in the park, listen to the breeze rustling through the trees, or maybe just go swimming or sit by a lake or go fishing. Whatever you want to do out in the sunshine, just go outside and get some fresh air. Number 7, keep your mind active. Use your brain. Read a book or do some puzzles. Teach the younger generation some of your skills, or do something creative like arts and crafts. Exercise your brain as you would any muscle in your body. Number 8, see your doctor regularly. Collaborate with a good personal physician. They can recommend healthy activities specifically designed for you. Get your blood work done regularly and do all of your health screenings. Prevention and early detection are key to living a long and healthy life. Use these 8 tips to increase your health span and take an active role in your health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite type of exercise to do regularly? And I'll see you very soon. Bye.